how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a pack from Mercado Libre here. I have a couple of products for you guys to unbox and review. So lovely packaging from Mercado Libre here in Argentina. So I'm gonna take this off, something as a tip. If you don't want to cut the tape all the way, you can use a knife. In this case I'm using a knife as this. Lovely. Okay, wow. So we have couple of things. First we have a bulb here, this one you see here. We have Circolo, lovely looking bulb, 9 watts leads, low consuming. In this case it will consume very low. So let's see, let me unpack one from here. To see this one, I take out one pack. Yeah, 10 pack together. Lovely, you can see here SICA written, energy A plus in this case, not A plus plus would be better. So consume low consuming, only 9 watts, equivalent to, I don't know, it's not written, 80% energy saving. E27 holder, 220 to 240 watts in this case, high power lead, Classica is written. Okay, you have different type of light they comes with here. 9,000 hour is a life. Lovely leads inside, you see. So color white, this is blue white. So let me take this off from here. It's a cheap one. Okay, let's see here, branding of SICA. Lovely plastic, you feel that immediately. Very light though, 9 watts only. Holder, you can see here, lovely finishing. Less than $1 price, less than $1, less than €1 I have paid. That I paid for 10,000 pesos from Argentine. That could be $7 or $8. Wow, beautiful, 10 pack together. Now I'm gonna assemble this bulb to my garden and I will show you. You can see here guys how beautiful they look. Here, so much radiant. Reduce the IOS so you can see them properly, how they look inside. I apply 4 of them and took out some of the old lights I had, something as this. They are 29 watts, so this consume 4 of them. Some of them has 11. So these are so much better. You will spend a lot less in electric bill after these lights. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.